What's up, everybody? Just wanted to do an unboxing video on a 1250 kit. Ordered my kit from Hammer Performance. Not really seen any videos of an unboxing. I'm sure it's just a standard kit, but I just wanted to show everyone how everything was packaged whenever it came. They actually do a pretty good job. So basically, whenever I got my box, all the peanuts you could ever want. So, you know, everybody likes those. So there's my invoice for the 1250 kit. Basically, the 1250 kit I think was $6.99. That come with pistons, jugs. I upgraded to a full top-end gasket set. I also had them do the gap the rings and assemble the pistons into the jugs. That way it just saved me some time, and they only charge $40 for it, so it's really not that bad. Anyway, you get a copy of your invoice when you get it. This engine kit will be damaged in short order if the installation's instructions are not followed to the letter. You can find the instructions here. Gives you a link to the website, or what you can type in to go to the website. Please read the instructions thoroughly, paying particular attention to the sections on proper initial tuning, heat cycles, and break-in, and so on and so forth. And you'll see all the warnings whenever you go to the actual website if you're thinking about doing a kit. My bike is currently an 883. I had considered doing a 1275. The reason I didn't do a 1275 was because I will probably end up doing head work later on, and if I do head work and all of that, I'm going to have to change pistons anyway. So I'll reorder the 1275 kit as well as have all of my head work done at the same time whenever I do my next rebuild. But I'm just going to try the 1250 kit, see how I like it. And if it provides enough power for me, should give me close to 80 horsepower at the wheels, or at the rear wheel. And if that's the case and I end up liking it, then I may not do anything later on. So there was a copy of my credit. I also got the Comedic HD Sportster 1200 Sportster 2007 and up top end kit. Base gasket, carb gasket, engine case gasket, Evo exhaust gasket, head gaskets, whole 9 yards. It should be an entire kit. So that's good. I got that. So there's my piston and jug setup. HP 3563 XCRD 16, I think is what it says on the actual box itself. Set that out of the way. Same thing, there's that. Another box. Right here are a couple of plugs. I ended up ordering the colder Denso plugs. I'm assuming they shipped them in this box, that way they would not get thrown away. But there's my two Denso Iridium plugs, IXU24 or 5309 Denso Iridiums. All that's going to do is prevent detonation, I'm assuming. And they also give us some stickers. That's always a good one. Carrillo stickers. Hammer Performance, pound your competition. Dan Norland, Dan at hammerperformance.com, 208-696-1250. Got a couple of business cards, a couple of smaller stickers, and a couple of larger stickers. And I can't thank Dan enough. Great guy. if you have any questions at all about a 1250 kit or what you need to do, I seriously recommend that you call Hammer Performance. Those guys know their stuff, and they're great dudes. You send them an email. Aaron will promptly get back to you. From what I was told, he was the guy who answers all of the emails. Alright, so inside of this box, some styrofoam, which holds your pistons and your cylinders. Cylinders have hammer stamped or cast into them, and look to be good. Got some reverse dome pistons. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's got a hammer cast into the other side of it, and looks pretty sweet. So you guys will be able to see more of that whenever I do the install video. I'll be coming up with that here shortly, and I'll have that out, and then that way everyone can see pretty well my step-by-step install on how I did the install and everything else. So that's the unboxing video. Appreciate you guys. Thank you all for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and hope to hear from you guys. Thanks.